Hi. So if you are watching this video, I'm pretty sure you would be trading into options. So now talking about options, there are quite a few mistakes which we do out there in the market. The biggest mistake of us, we just go ahead and try to predict where the instrument is going to go. But talking about options is just not about the price, because options, they get affected by various components like implied volatility, option Greeks, time decay and a lot of things, right? So we do ignore them a lot of times. So we at Quantsap, we believe in error-free trading and we believe in a process of learn and earn, wherein we have a workshop which is conducted at our Mumbai headquarters, and the workshop would be for 2 days, which is conducted by the industry experts themselves who have been trading into options since the inception of it. So the workshop would be conducted by our CEO, Mr. Shubham Agarwal, and our president, Mrs. Tina Gadodia ma'am. So the agenda of workshop would be to equip us with 6 to 7 end-to-end trading modules. So the day one will begin with understanding about option Greeks and understanding the sweet spots of Greeks. And trust me, the way Shubham sir is going to explain us option Greeks and sweet spots, we are going to remember it for rest of our lives. Then as we get equipped with option Greeks knowledge, we will try to put that knowledge in, I would say, adjusting the strategy, and then once we do that, we will move towards trading implied volatility breakouts. We will also understand about how we can go ahead and trade events in the market. Now coming to the next day, the interesting part of the entire event, which we all want to learn, which is identifying the directional breakouts. Then there would be something for writers as well, right? So there is an module, or I would say there is a way of writing options systematically which would be shown to us, and I would say there would be a statistical way which would be shown to us, and we can learn about how we can go ahead and write options in a systematic way. Bank Nifty is again just not about buying a cheaper premium and selling it higher. Bank Nifty should be traded systematically. So we will also learn how we can trade Bank Nifty weekly options in a systematical way. And the last part, which is again very unique to the entire industry as a whole, which is repairing a trapped strategy. So let's say if we are trapped in an option strategy, due to which our entire portfolio will get adversely affected. So there is always a way where we can go ahead and repair it. So we will learn the art of repairing the trapped strategy as well. So I would say just by attending this workshop, it will take you at least 5 years ahead in terms of your learning curve. So to register, the link would be in the description box below. There would be quite a lot of offers going around, so you can refer the link in the description. Thank you.